how to take the people that have posted comments on your ad posts and invite them to like your fan page. So in order to do that, you go into your business manager account and go into your page and then scroll down till you find one of your posts that has the comments. All right, so see here it says I've got comments from 18 people. So if you click on that link, it'll open it up and it'll show you how many of them liked it, how many of them loved it, how many of them are angry at you, how many are sad, whatever it is they clicked on. And then here it tells you if they've already liked your page or not. So these that say liked, they've already liked my page. But these that say invite, they haven't liked my page yet. So if you want to invite them to like your page, you just click that invite button and off goes the message directly from Facebook. So you just have to go down and click all these invites, but don't do it too fast, because if you go really fast, Facebook will shut you off and you have to wait like a day or two and then they'll let you do more. So what I found works is if you click it and then you wait like 3 seconds. That's the only way I found to do it without getting cut off before you get all the way to the bottom, all the way to the end of your list. Because I did have, when I found this, I had an ad that had 1,000 comments on it. So I had 1,000 to get done and I got caught there and I was like, oh crap. So don't click these invite buttons too fast. But that's how you get people to like your page. One of the reasons to get them to do this is because every time you post something on your page, they would see it instead of paying for new ads to go to them. But what I found out today when I talked to the Facebook rep was it doesn't quite work like that. What they do is they will send the organic information out to the people that like your page, but if they don't react, if they don't click on stuff, they come off that organic list and it won't go to them anymore. You need to keep updating things. You need to keep active with them.